Moving on to Codebeamer's release management module, we have two examples, a waterfall style approach for hardware development and a more agile approach for software. And this right here is a general overview of all of your ongoing project, but let's zoom in for more options, selecting hardware development, for example. Here I get to browse my phases specific to this release. I can view my Gantt chart. I can move around the duration. Maybe I want to start sooner or later. Maybe I want to expand how much time I'm permitted allocated to this specific release or sprints. And what I can also do is visualize my tasks in a Kanban board. This is where I can simply drag and drop items to a desired lifecycle stage, as long as it is permitted by the workflow engine. So if I have my story right here, I can move it to do or to verify, but not others. This is all controlled by the aforementioned workflow engine. We also have a planner view, and this is helpful for backlog grooming, prioritizing like so, should have, nice to have, must have, and such, and ranking the items. So I click on the plus, and it's going to receive the next in order. But of course, I can rearrange this by just dragging and dropping. I can also assign any of these items into specific teams or put them into one of the phases, test hardware, for example. And this is going to give me a clear understanding of what's happening right now and what to expect in the future.